Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel Smarter with Siddharth. In the previous video, we have learned about what is hacking and the different types of the hackers. And now here in this video, let us discuss what are the tools used for hacking and in which operating system they can get installed. Before getting starting into the video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for more latest video updates. In the previous video, I have given you an example. So now let us consider that example again. So if you want to steal anything, it should be easily accessible. Now coming to the point, if it is easily accessible, what is your next goal? Yeah, if it is accessible, you have to check whether it is locked or not. So if it is locked, you have to use some tools to open it. Either it may be a hammer or anything. So generally we have the different types of the locking system. Based on the locking system, we use the different types of the tools to open it. In the same way, hacking of a device is totally based on the vulnerability of a device. And to check the vulnerability of a device, we use the different types of the tools. Those are basically called as vulnerability scanners. Based on the vulnerability of a device, we use the different types of the tools by which we can hack the device. And there are the several different types of the tools which are used for hacking. So till now we have discussed about the most commonly used tools which are basically used for the penetrating test, and some are used to check the vulnerabilities. And now coming to the next point, you might be thinking that which operating system does the hacker uses? So we have the different types of the operating systems like Kali Linux, Backbox, Parrot Security OS and so on. Apart from all the operating systems, Kali Linux is the mostly used operating system by all the hackers, and Kali Linux is used for the advanced penetration test and the security audition. So for now, we have a hands-on on Nmap, which is basically a network mapper. By using it, we can explore the network security scans and we can find the open ports on it. So this is how we use the Nmap tool, and by this we can find the open ports and the database they are using, and we can even find more like operating system used by them and which type of the firewalls are in use. And that's it for this video, and if you like my video, please hit the like button and share, and in the next video we'll see the basic skills of a hacker and the installation procedure of Kali Linux. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day.